fast and you doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
Welcome back to my channel. The Emperor, the Conqueror, the Lion is here. So today is a Friday, test week. So yesterday I couldn't vlog as much because I was tired. Hello. And today I'm just buying, I don't know if this is brunch or breakfast or lunch, I don't know, but I'm buying food for me and my mom, and I'm probably gonna finish off studying at her office because I'm sick and I'm tired, but I have to push because I'm writing tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So see you guys later.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's Saturday morning, it's 5 a.m. Yay! And I slept at please don't ask what time I slept. I slept in between the corners. But yeah, so it's still test week. I only had 3 tests, but I'm only writing 2, and I'm writing the next one after when I come back from recess. Thank the Lord, because this test today drained me, and today hasn't even started. It's a Saturday, it's raining, it's cold, I'm up, period pains are fighting me, but I'm gonna fight back because I need to pass this test. Period. Point blank, period. So I'm gonna study now, and then I'm probably gonna shower. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast, probably yesterday's leftovers. And yeah, don't grow up. If you're a kid and you're watching this, don't grow up, okay? Thank you. Goodbye. Please subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yo, what a week. So I couldn't film during like test week. Like I had a proper, thing set up, and I couldn't film because honestly speaking, the pressure was getting worse, and also like my priority was sleeping and getting enough study time in. Yeah, vibes. So it's 2 days after my last test. I had 2 tests, but like in between there was assignments due, in between I must attend class, in between, guys, school was just schooling, and there was a lot going on. So yeah, so I want to continue my week, and today's a Monday. I had 1 class today and it got cancelled, but I was still at school, so boring. So like they literally told us at 12 o'clock that the class is cancelled, but then again it's also my fault because I didn't go to class last week Thursday because I was writing, guys. I was writing pale. The class was at like 3:30 and I was writing at 5:30, and at that time, yeah, I was basically trying to like get in whatever I could possibly get in, fix up the errors that I was making and all. But yeah, so today I just basically studied from like 7 until 12, and then after that I was tired because I'm on my period and TMI, but yeah, anyway, that's a thing. And I was just emotionally, I was okay, but like I was just a bit down, Like normally I'm on like 8 out of 10, 2000 like 5, maybe even 4. But like I didn't cry, so yeah, I didn't cry. So I'm a winner. You know what I mean? Anyway, so I got myself ice cream. Boop, boop, boop. As like a celebration of finishing test week, and also because I'm craving a lot of sugary things, sweet tooth. Like I'm craving sugar. So that's what I'm gonna have. It's currently 8 o'clock. I'm gonna watch a movie. Oh, Love is Blind season 4. Apparently it's going down. So I'm gonna watch that and then probably sleep. And tomorrow is another study day. So yeah, I'm gonna close up the vlog here or whatever. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Moras nog 'n dag.
She looked like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. I'm the secret biggest fan of staying friends. We can chill with everyone. I need someone intimate. I'ma taste my dog and touch you, guess I'll plan. While I'm plugging to the beach. She looked like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short.
You got to spin. Spin, girl.
What's coming?
Pray first. I already prayed. I just want to get this scoop from the off. No,
Oh.
Her friends like SWV.
Ew,
Out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The weather's been so moody and there's construction happening on campus. Writing. And guys, tengeli ice cream. so I just finished writing stats online. Now I'm going back home. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah, this is the earliest I'm ever gonna be leaving this campus. Hi. But anyway, so that's done. I'm going back home to study for tomorrow's paper. But luckily that paper is also online, so I don't think I'm gonna come to school if I don't have classes. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have quite a few things to do, and I decided that I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know the exact plans for today, but just come with me, like literally every step of the way. Yeah, so I will tell you guys later what I'm preparing for. But yeah, see you guys soon.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need my.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at Brooklyn and yeah, I fitted my dress. It's not done, but I'm hoping it will be done tomorrow. We're at Brooklyn Mall, so we're just gonna go get a few things. I got some of my toiletries online. I didn't film that because I was at school and I was writing, but yeah, the nerves, because why am I vlogging in the mall? I am heading to Clicks and then I'm just gonna get the last of my toiletries that I didn't find online because I somehow managed to get to the shops today, and then I have to go back to Hatfield to fetch a package. So initially I had ordered a package from Zulzi and then it literally arrived 5 minutes after I paid, guys. I'm not lying. So I had to ask my cousin to collect it for me because I was still at home by then. So yeah.
I wake up to fight for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.
My eyes doing that thing again. Like I can literally feel the pimple. So that's why I'm getting antihistamine and I'm getting eye drops because yeah, I need it. Got the body lotion that I was looking for and it's much bigger than what I expected. Online it looks so small, so yeah.
I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning.
I seem to have lost my mom and sister in the mall. And I go look for them and yeah. I'm at my cousin's place and I'm here to get my package. We just left Brooklyn and we are now going to Sunny Park because at the Woolies in Brooklyn it's load shedding now and they don't have what we need.
Time to leave my life. Money tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah.
Welcome back. So I just got back from the shops and I've got a package from Zulzi. I don't know if you guys know this app, but basically it works the same as Checkers 6060, but it's definitely much cheaper and much quicker. My only issue is that they didn't have everything. Like most of the things that I wanted, like specific soaps and whatnot, they would tell me that they're out of order, and honestly speaking, but I got medication, and so my mom and I were comparing the prices, like from Clicks, Diskim and Zulzi, and it was definitely much cheaper to get it from Zulzi. And the reason why is because I'll give you an example. We got medicine, right? And a pack of these, right? Last time we bought these for 80 rand. On Zulzi it was 60 rand. Guys, that's a whole 20 rand difference, and 20 rand goes a long way, trust me. When I initially put this in my cart, they were on a special for 55 rand, but then I took long to order, right? Because then I kept on like changing some of the things I wanted. but for the most part we did get like basic medication that we need, like for winter and stuff, because my mom likes buying in bulk ahead. So I'm just gonna open up everything and show you what I got. So I got these for me because it's recess, and because I just feel like spoiling myself, because why not? I got these for my sister. I didn't find the original flavor, so I got these because these are also nice. And then so quite happy. This was also reasonable to buy online. Oh, so the medication, I'm just gonna undo. Okay, let me finish this. Got pickled eggs. This is just the snack because I love sweets. Red Bull, and then initially we had bought 2 packs of these, and then we decided not to get 2 packs because my mom went to Clicks the other day and she went wild, so we didn't need more soap. I just bought it as like an extra, and I guess we're gonna keep this for later. But it's a pack of 400 grams, like so. I wanted the Dettol pomegranate. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about, the pink soap, man, and it smells so good. But then it was out of stock, understandably so. So what's left over now, what's left over is the medicine. This is all we got, like over the counter. So first things first, this is Norflex for like your muscles and tension headaches and sports injuries, and then we've got Accurates. This is just for normal headaches and all of that. And then we've got Sinucons because I sneeze a lot, like this season with the flowers and everything. And then this is just an essential, like if you've got period pains and all of that. But I just feel like Gilly Sweets into it, let's be honest, Gilly Sweets. And then Strepsils, because we can't be out of those. And then last but not least, Allergics. It's the same, they do the same as Accurates. And then we bought Texas Allergy at Clicks. So that's just about it. And everything here, I'm gonna take a picture for you guys just now, cost about $2.50. Yeah, I paid $2.50. So everything that you guys see here cost me $2.50. So guys, it literally says delivered in 15 minutes, and when I say I paid and then 5 minutes later they were like, "Hi princess, we downstairs." I'm like, what? But anyway, yeah, so literally 15 minutes guys, and they deliver. So the only downside with this app is that they don't have all the brands, but for the most part they have everything. And if they're low on stock, they normally like tell you. So but shame, it's really reasonable. They always have nice deals.